How to delete your Instagram account. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go and open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to go on the profile option that is located down below, and then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above, and after that you have to go on settings option. As you go on settings option, then you have to go on accounts option, or you can go on helps option. As you click on help option, then you have to go on help center or report a problem. Let's say go to help center. You can do it on both ways, by going to help center or report a problem. Now over here you have to write down delete account. As you go and click on delete account, and then over here you will have an option of how do I delete my account, and you have to scroll down, and by clicking on this link you will be able to delete your account. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.